How to speed up Chrome. So to start, what we need to do is to open our browser. In here, we'll have to go on the top right corner of the screen and then tap on these three dots. After that, tap on settings, and then under settings, we'll have to tap on the system option. And then in here, what we need to do is to go on this use graphics acceleration when available. What we need to do is to relaunch this one. If you see this one already enabled, what you need to do is to toggle it off, and then you will need to check if there is any changes. Once you're done with that, tap on this reset settings, and then in here, tap on this option. After that, before you reset settings, make sure that you have read the actions here. If you are sure to reset the settings, simply tap on this reset settings option. Once you're done with that, we'll have to go back, and then here in our browser, we'll have to tap on these extensions. And then after that, in here, we'll have to enable this developer mode option. So those are the ways on how you can speed up Chrome. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.